Hi guys, so may aayusin tayo then bibilisan ko lang to kasi 12% na lang po siya. Ayan. Titignan po natin yan. So guys, yung video na yun, parang hindi siya totoo, parang fake siya. So may i-charge ko na po siya. So yun guys, kung makikita nyo po guys, yung account ko is 1 subscribers. So please guys, subscribe my videos. Magpo-post po ako ng ibang mga video for Avatar. Ayan. Tapos kanina po yung boses ko. Kasi ganun lang po talaga ako pag basta. Kasi alam eh. So, yun guys. Yan guys, may re-research tayo dito. Avatar Secret. So, yan guys. Tatry natin kung totoo. Sa palagay nyo guys, or totoo ba siya o hindi? So, papanoodin natin ito. So, yung gusto ko lang talaga guys ma-open yung nasa school ba.
Hey besties, welcome back to Everyone's Toy Club. This is Lisa, and in today's Avatar World video, my evil twin is cooking up something evil and fun in the furniture shop. Some hacks, maybe how to clone or ship babies and pets. I'm in. But first, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell. You don't want to miss out on any updates. My contact Apazu is going to let me know on Wednesday if we're having an update this week. I cannot wait. Don't forget, I do live streams and post all sorts of videos when the updates come out. Okay, Misa, are you ready to show us all the things you've been working on? All the hacks? Yeah. Okay, so I heard that you can now ship babies.
Think that. They say it could put your life at stake, and once you drink it, you can't go back. Happy birthday, Grimace. What is on your Amazon wish list? You've given me everything and more. They say
So, try natin yun, guys. Di ko pa kasi yun alam. So, then, try natin yan. Tapos, kukunin natin. So, kung makikita nyo, guys, ilang percent na lang siya? 10%. Actually, ita-charge ko na siya kasi magkakalat si mama. Masirap siya. Okay. So, punta tayo dito. Actually, totoo yun eh, kasi okay, pasok tayo doon. Ayun. Ito nga siya. So, okay. Totoo nga. Okay. Ito, kunin natin ito. Pala, meron pala dito. Try natin kung makukuha ba natin. Open natin. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung real siya eh. Pero try lang natin. Seryoso. Ayun para yung school. Ayun. Hindi ko alam kung paano yung pinag-open. Hindi ko nakita. So, saan ko ito na-open? There is a breakfast. Ayan guys, ito yung breakfast ng kids kapag recess na nila. Maghanap tayo. So, yun ang matarang gata. So, guys, palagi kasi nasisira yung account ko sa TikTok. Hindi na ako maka-TikTok tan. Kaya, dito na for YouTube. So, yun lang. Bye-bye.